Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Before you dig into this video, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. So in today's video, let's take a look at some minimalist home offices. Now, I am not ashamed to say that I am not a minimalist. I'm actually a more is more type of girl. I wouldn't say I'm a maximalist, but I would lean a little further towards that side, the minimalism. With that being said, there are some qualities and traits of a good minimalistic room that I really love. But it's not all about me. Minimalist style is one of the top styles today, and many designers and homeowners love it because of its really sleek, streamlined, clean way that you can just really make your room feel. Your room feels comfortable, at ease, and not chaotic at all. Now, with those personality traits and attributes, having a minimalist style approach in your home office is a really great idea, and it's one that many people tend to lean towards. It's simple, it's uncluttered. You have nothing that really distracts you from your attention, and you're focused at work, which is what most people want. So this video is all about a collection of chic, minimal home offices that are just full of natural light and style and just look very clean and could allow you to have a productive day. Now, if you notice, the main color here in a lot of these rooms are either neutral or shades of gray, which is neutral as well, basically. They reflect the light really well. It makes your space look bigger, which is really important as a lack of space is a frequent problem that many homeowners tend to highlight, especially since many people have been working from home in the past few years. So, what do you pair with your neutral color scheme? Opt for black, gray, navy, even some light stained wood. You have to be careful with wood. If you go darker, it can feel a little heavier, but a light stain would be perfect. And of course, you can always pair them with white. White is a neutral color as well. And when I say neutral colors, I'm not just talking about your tans, your eggshells, your taupes. I'm talking about colors, and I'm including white, I'm including gray, I'm even including black, just because it's a neutral color palette that you can layer other colors or things on top of. Or you can just mix them all up, choose some options, and really vary the amount of each color to really achieve a special look that's personalized for you. Now, minimalistic style is also really cool because you can pair it with many other home decor styles like industrial, Scandinavian, modern, even farmhouse in some cases. It really allows you to put your personal stamp on your room. Don't forget to let me know down in the comment section, are you a minimalist at heart? Is this very streamlined way of living for you? Let me know, I am curious. With that being said, I'm going to let you further enjoy the video and just pop in here and there. So this is one room that I especially liked. You see how they do have a lot of black in the room, which could darken it, but they're using that light color wood throughout the room, which just really brightens it up. Okay friends, so that was today's video. Don't forget to like, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course subscribe to the channel. This has been another And Then There Was Style video, but if you want to see more, check out one of these two right here. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.